Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir without grains. Start by sterilizing jars and gathering cultures like powdered kefir starter or whey. Measure milk and starter carefully and mix thoroughly. Keep the jars in a warm place between 68 degrees F and 78 degrees F for 12 to 48 hours, tasting until pleasantly tangy. Strain if needed, then refrigerate to slow fermentation and enjoy your homemade kefir. Heat milk to around 180 degrees F briefly, then cool to 70 degrees F, 75 degrees F before adding your starter. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of powdered starter per cup or 1 to 2 tablespoons of whey per quart of milk. Stir gently, cover the jars loosely, and place them in a warm, undisturbed spot. Check after 12 hours, tasting every few hours until you reach the desired tartness, then transfer to the fridge to set. Once your kefir reaches the right tang, refrigerate it to halt fermentation and improve texture. Flavor after chilling by stirring in fruit puree, honey, or herbs so you don't compromise probiotic activity. Store in sealed jars and use within 7 to 14 days for best taste and potency. If separation occurs, stir gently or shake before serving and always smell to confirm freshness before consuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.